What's up, guys? John Marchetti coming to you live from Monarch Benefit Advisors in Bell Works in beautiful Homedale, New Jersey. I had somebody DM me and ask me if they could explain their medical insurance to them because it is confusing. So I figured, you know what? I'm sure there's probably more than one person out there wondering what all this stuff means. So let me do a quick vid and show you guys what it is. So we're going to get into a couple of the terms that you probably saw for your medical or your health insurance. The first one is deductible. So all a deductible means is you have to hit that number before your insurance plan turns on. So basically think of it as like this. From $1 to whatever your deductible is, let's call it $1,000 deductible, you're paying out of pocket. So from $1 to $1.99, you're basically paying just like it's yours. $999, excuse me. You're paying just as if you had no insurance. Once you hit that deductible of $1,000, the plan now turns on, meaning now you can get the benefits. What are the benefits? Usually they're either a copay or co-insurance. These are basically exactly the same thing. The difference is a copay is a specific dollar amount. So your copay might be $20. Your co-insurance is a split percentage that you're paying with the insurance company. So in this case, your co-insurance might be 50%. Now, these are the same thing, they work the same way, but it could be a big difference. If you go to the doctor and you have a $100 copay, you have a $100 bill and your copay is $20, you're only paying $20 out of pocket. But if you go there and you have a $100 bill and you have 50% co-insurance, you're paying 50% of the bill, so you're paying $50. Therefore, you came out of pocket $30 more with co-insurance versus copay. So some of your lower tier plans are going to be co-insurance and some of your higher tier plans will be copay. Some plans will have both on there. So you really have to read the fine print and see what it is. Another big one people ask is what is a MOOP, or a maximum out of pocket, or it all could be listed as another family deductible. So what this means is once you hit this number, which let's just say it's 10,000, this is going to be a higher number. Once you hit that number, it means the plan now kicks in at 100% and pays everything. So you don't have any more co-pays or co-insurance to worry about. So let me just run through this real quick. From $1 to whatever your deductible is, you pay out of pocket. Once you hit your deductible, the plan turns on. Your co-insurance and your co-pay. So now when you go to the doctors, you only pay what this is. Once your co-insurance and your co-pays equal up to whatever your max out of pocket is for that year, say 10,000, now this goes away and the plan will cover everything at 100%. Some people hit this real quick if you had a bad accident or you're going through a pregnancy or something. Some people will never hit this. It all depends how high of a utilizer you are. And all the numbers here, the 10,000, 50, 20, this is all going to depend on the cost of what you pay. Now the cost is going to go by if you're family, if you're single, if you're a husband and wife, and what kind of a plan you're on. Remember, the cheaper the cost of your premiums, the higher your deductible is going to be. The lower your deductible, the more expensive your monthly plan is going to be. So it's a give and take till you find something that makes sense for you. That is health or medical insurance 101 in a nutshell. If you have more questions, feel free to do the usual. DM me, comment below, let me know. Let us know how we can help you out, and hopefully you learned something today. Thanks for watching.